Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray. Viewers, the heavy fighting that is going on in Amhara region, and Amhara region has fallen on the mountain land. At this time, there is a difference between war and nothing is left behind. The Amhara regional state police have created a new defensive zone on the border between Oromia and Amhara. Amharas killed of Oromos yesterday as they crossed the border into Oromia. This is the third opening of the Amhara Wahadu in the west. The Banishangul Liberation Front is at war with the Oromo people. On the other side, the former president of Afar region, Mr. Owl Seyum, joined the Tigray Defense Forces to fight Abiy Ahmed forces. And it is reported that Mr. Seyum is a veteran person with great political and military experience who will help greatly. Viewers, the Tigrayan forces are sending a message to the people of Dessie and Kambolcha that the Tigrayan forces are not targeting civilians but are casing those who inflicted massacre and destruction on the Tigrayans. It seems that Tigray forces are standing at the gates on the two cities and repeating the same scenario that happened before the enter of Valdia and Morsi, when the civilians were reserved there before entering the city. And viewers, the Tigray army has no cut with the peaceful people. They have confirmed this in different areas of Amhara and Afar. The Tigrayan army punishing the people of Tigray and the ones who are shooting against the massacre and the people of Tigray are still saying they will destroy you. Therefore, we are advised to stay in your area by the threats of Tigray army, especially Dessie and Kambolcha residents without exposing your property to robbers. They are criminals who are prepared to sell your property and implement their stolen plans, saying Tigray army will kill you and help you sell. For this show, before the Tigray army enter the city, they have been robbed by the people and government property. The people of Dessie and Kambolcha have no peace and security of the people of Abiy are running away from their army, as it has been confirmed in different areas. Tigray army will keep the people and property safe and peaceful, let alone the people of Dessie and Kambolcha, the city leaders who are free from crime. They will continue to respect the people, peace and society. Tigrayan army, there is no aim to manage the areas that have been controlled by the people of Tigray. So viewers, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
وعلى تقراي تزازي له اسمرقت بحلالو سيرا وتلاي تبقى سولو مسمرقت وعزان